In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to select all emails in Gmail. Selecting all emails in Gmail is a straightforward process. Whether you want to select them to send them, forward them, or delete them, and here's how you can do it. 1. Selecting emails from a label. Click on the label that contains the email you want to select. For instance, if you wish to select all emails in your inbox, click on Inbox. Right below the search bar above your emails, you'll see a checkbox. Click on this checkbox to select all the messages currently displayed on the page. Alternatively, you can click the arrow next to the checkbox to choose specified types of emails, such as read, unread, starred, or unstarred. To select all emails in Gmail, including those not currently visible on the screen, look for an additional button at the top of your email list. It should say Select All. Click on the bottom to select all emails within the label. 2. Selecting emails from scratch. Use Gmail's search tools to find the emails you want to select. Once you've conducted the search and the relevant emails are displayed, click on the checkbox above the search results. This checkbox allows you to select all messages currently visible in the search results. To select all emails that match your search criteria, click on the option that says Select all conversations that match this search. This will select all emails that meet the conditions of your search. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.